You are angry, right? You want to shout out, post, punch, and comment? Comment on social media, go on rally, protest all you want. But you're here. You want to manage your anger because of the title, right? How we manage anger. This is Ino, and you're watching Trivia Alliance. We all have emotions, fears, anxieties, doubts, and other feelings that may brought anger to us. How we manage it? How we manage anger? We are more afraid in the consequence of our emotions, of anger. The consequence of anger when we deliver our emotions, our words. There's a saying, you can hold 100 horses than holding the word you already said. So I have my own techniques. Maybe this is for my own perspective, but this is effective for me. Don't get me wrong, but I get angry sometimes. So because of our emotions, but this is not the time for that. We are here to talk about how I manage my anger. And this is also effective to you because we're both humans, and I think we are on the same perspective of what anger means to us. First is breathe 5 times. Breathe in 5 times and breathe out 5 times. You subconsciously think of some solution when you're angry, or maybe a more efficient reaction than anger. Like now, I have so noisy neighbor. I have so noisy neighbor while I'm recording. So I don't have a noise filter and I don't have any good microphone. So you have to bear with it. So I have to breathe in, then breathe out. Okay. Breathe 5 times is effective, but sometimes it is not. Especially when you're facing the one you're angry with or something you're angry with. So you can't stop your emotion. But first, you have to think about it. So you have to smile. Smile. Smiling is a good reaction. Even though you're in pain, you're in doubts, just smile. When you're angry, people tend to have reactions like they tend to have their defense mechanism because you're angry. But if you smile, they don't need a defense mechanism, so they don't reason out, and they tend to comfort you or they feel sorry for you even if you smile. It's good. I think it's more psychological, reverse psychology. Third, in social media, we tend to be more brave, more strong in social media. Why? Because maybe we have our dummy account. But no, this is for no dummy accounts. We are more vocal and expressive in social media. But again, we cannot take our words. Some people got our comments or posts like screenshots, right? So as a proof that you posted it. So you're done. When you react to a post or a comment, use emoji. Angry emoji. You're angry, right? Use angry emoji. For what? To express yourself. Because you're angry. But you don't have to tell a word. You don't have to give a word. Effective, right? But if you ever feel uncontented, go to number 4. In number 4, go to the comment section. Go to the post section. Post all you want. Write all the words all you want. All your heart's content. Write it. Then, close the app. Don't post it. And close your cell phone. If it's on worse, close your cell phone, off your cell phone. You express yourself, but you did not take the post button. The post button is your last button now, your emergency button. So you don't have to post that. You just express yourself. It's like mind setting, but it's effective. It's more effective to me. Sometimes I post all my heart's content. I'm angry, I'm on doubts, and anxious, but I did not post it. So I feel okay. It's like something talking to someone. But in this time, you're talking to your social media account. So select that. Comfort yourself. Last but not the least, but it's not good for you. So, number 5 is do not react on them. Don't smile, don't be angry, just let them be. Don't even bother to hear the reasons. But wait, this is not good for you. This is good for the relationship, good for others, good for others. But this is not good for you. Why? Because you did not express yourself. It may tend to have, or you may have, tend to have depression, more anxious, and uncontented to yourself. Why? Because you did not express yourself. There is no number 6. That's it. So, you have to manage your anger in social media. So, or you'll be shot. And sometimes, we have to express ourselves. For us, to be more cautious on our own emotion. So, not to have depression or not to be anxious in situations. So, you have to express yourself. But we express ourselves in the level that we don't have our consequences on damage area. So, we don't have a damaged reputation, we don't have a damaged dignity, a damaged personality. So we tend to do that, especially when you're having social media account or you're a creator or an influencer. So you have to do that. So do you have reactions? Are you angry with me? Comment below. And don't like the video. Don't like the video, just watch the video and comment below. Comment all your heart's content and I will entertain you. I will entertain your anger. This is Ino and you're watching Trivia Alliance.